Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple but delicious dish, teriyaki salmon over rice. It's full of flavor and surprisingly easy to make, so let's get started. Here are the ingredients you need for today. 3 cloves of garlic, lightly crushed. 3 teaspoons of teriyaki sauce. 2 pounds of salmon, portioned into 3 fillets or cut to your liking. And your preferred brand of teriyaki sauce. I'm using this one, but any kind you love will work great. Place a deep pan on the stove and turn the heat to medium-high. Once the pan is hot, add the oil. Then toss in the garlic and give it a quick stir. Place the salmon fillets in the pan, skin side down. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the garlic so it's not burned. All the flavors should already absorb into the fillet. Flip the fillet and cook the other side for another 4 minutes. Just be gentle, you may split the skin. You notice the sides might still look a bit undercooked. That's okay. Flip them back over, skin side down for one final minute to crisp up the skin. After 4 minutes, flip them back over skin side down for one final minute to crisp up the skin. After that, turn up the heat and transfer the salmon to a plate. Scoop some warm jasmine rice onto a serving plate. Add your favorite veggies on the side. Steamed broccoli or stir-fry greens work great. Now place the crispy salmon fillets right on top of the rice. Then drizzle a generous amount of your favorite teriyaki sauce over the fish. I'm telling you, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. This dish is so simple, but absolutely irresistible. And there you have it. Tasty, satisfying dish of teriyaki salmon over rice. It's a perfect dinner option that's both quick and delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, please support the channel by subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends. Drop a comment or question. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy cooking.